Guys, it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and I'm like dead. Like, I can barely move my legs and back. Not out of pain, more out of exhaustion, kind of like that. Just exhausted feeling. I'm so tired. I've had like 900 milligrams of caffeine so far today. That's, nope, not 900. I've had, oh my gosh. Are you there? I've had 600 milligrams of caffeine so far today. That's 2 bangs. I'm trying to cut back on kratom. So I've had a lot less kratom today. But holy poop, I'm tired. So this is 16 weeks after the spinal fusion, and you guys have seen some of the videos. You hear my kids yelling in the background? Yeah, me too. This is 16 weeks. And I'm really tired, but I've been doing a lot. I've been doing my walks. I've been working out every day. Trying to do some things around the house. I hooked up the propane fireplace heater in the homeschool room for the family, and I'm getting ready to install a filtration system for the whole house as it comes in from the well, because we do get sediment in our water on heavy rainstorms. And we have an 1880s Victorian that sits on a spring. So I mean, I've got plenty to do around the house. I don't have the energy to do it unless I'm caffeinated. And I'm off pain pills, which sucks because I wish I wasn't, like on a day like today. I'm like pining for them. Physically, physiologically, and, you know, mentally. But I gotta get up. I gotta get up. But I wonder if I should get up. Like, I'm wondering, like, I probably shouldn't get up. I should probably just lay here, maybe get the ice pack and lay on the ice pack. Then it drives me nuts. It drives me nuts that I'm not doing something. So I'm trying to bring you guys along more for this journey. I've had a lot of you reach out to me and ask, you know, so many questions. So I'm trying to share more with you. And I want to be real. All right, hold on. I'm going to try to move up. Oh, you know what's so cool, though? Look at that. I can roll out of bed. Hold on. Okay, hold on. Something that is so cool now for me is that I can actually get up from laying down to a seated position without having to, like, do this whole process to get myself up, to push myself up, and then roll to the ground and stretch to get. I'm in so much less pain now after the spinal fusion than I was beforehand for years. But again, I always say this. I think it really heavily depends on having the right surgeon to cut you open. I gotta get moving. I hate being sedentary. I think I'm gonna at least do a little band workout so you guys can see. I haven't really shown you, but I have my bands here stuck on my bed there. And I've got my little band kit on the floor. So I do resistance band workouts every day, and that's all I can do. But I'm able to get a full body workout in pretty much 2 times a day, every day. I try to take Sundays off, but I'm trying to put the muscle back on, trying to get the muscles working again and functioning, and I'm actually trying to build muscle. And you can build muscle just from resistance bands. I think that's what I'm going to do. I should probably go back to sleep. Did I tell you it's 2 in the afternoon? It feels like I'm like dead in the water. Oh. Alright, so for those of you who haven't caught up yet, go watch some of the latest videos, because I'm actually going full-time with this channel on YouTube. And I'm going to be more focused on the variety of videos that I start putting out, and that the content is a little more conducive to all the viewers. Because I know we've kind of got a broad range of subscribers already, and we only have like not even 6,000 subscribers yet, which is awesome because I love that the family is growing, but we got to get it bigger because this is going to be now my primary source of income. Yes. That's incredibly scary to think about. Just ask my wife. But that being said, the channel is growing and the channel is making money. The videos are being watched, the commercials are being watched, and I really appreciate that. And a lot of you have reached out to me personally, which means so much, and I'm so grateful for all the prayers every day for the recovery. So I'm trying to grow this community, trying to grow the channel into something that is more beneficial for you. I'm not like that Mr. Build It, or what's his name? Yeah, the Mr. Build It guy, where he takes you along to the step-by-step DIY. Like, yeah, I could do all that stuff, but I did all that stuff for years. I don't want to do it again. I want to give you like the reviews, the tool reviews, because I'm very particular with what I use and the clothes, and I'm very specific in OCD and ADHD. Like, I am like very aware, heightened awareness of everything. And like, I look at things differently. But I don't want to do all the jobs I used to do. I mean, I had to do them for years to make money, to build my companies to what they became. I don't want to go back to doing labor. I can't do labor anymore after the spinal fusion. I have to be very careful with my back and legs. And I can't live the way I used to live, which means I can't provide for my family the way I used to provide for my family. So now I have to find other means of support. And that's going to be interesting. So now I have to find other means of support. But I love hearing from every one of you. I love when we get new faces into the crowd, and I love hearing your stories of your journey. So now remember, we've got the Instagram page, which is the_new_woodworker. So again, that's the_new_woodworker. Go to the Instagram page, become a follower there, keep an eye on that stuff. Introduce yourself, let me get to know you, and you can get to know me, and we can, you know, be a happy family. Hey, yay! But for my spinal fusion friends, I want you to know that 16 weeks later after this surgery, I am so grateful that I had the surgery done. I'm so thankful that I waited to find the right surgeon that I believed in, and I'm feeling very, very good. Strong improvements since before the surgery and since the entire surgery. Every day is a little better, but I'm also doing 2 walks a day, 2 workouts a day, and some other things I'm going to fill you in on. So that's where I'm at today, guys and gals. Stay tuned. There's a lot of videos coming. I'm Adam. This is the new woodworker. I'm going to get back to my workout. I'll see you in the next one. I think I decided I'm just going to work out my eyelids and close them now. I'll get back to my workout later when I have more energy.